Hey, and welcome back to the Social Psychology Pedia YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn about 14 signs a woman is thinking about you sexually. Now, let's begin. Number 1. She gives you lots of compliments. Women like to compliment people they are attracted to. When a woman feels close to you, she will often say good things about you. If you've been friends for a while and she's still looking for new things to compliment you on, it means she thinks about you sexually and finds you attractive. You see, women usually don't compliment others unless they are attracted to them. Of course, this often counts for physical compliments. But if she compliments you on your personality, that is also a good sign. Simply put, if she compliments you a lot, you can be sure that she is attracted to you and wants you badly. Number 2. She is a bit nervous around you. If a woman is nervous around you, it's a sign that she's thinking about you sexually. She may be trying to figure out how to act or not show her thoughts on her face. You see, most women have mastered the art of appearing calm and collected, so when she's nervous around you, that's a big sign that you're rocking her boat. Sometimes you will see her blush or tremble when you talk to her. This is a great sign that she is attracted to you. And the best part? It is also pleasant. There's nothing better than getting nervous and giddy seeing a woman you like when you're around. Number 3. She holds intense eye contact with you. If a woman makes intense eye contact with you, she may find you attractive. Women often hold your gaze for a long time to try and understand how you feel about them. Did you know that eye contact is one of the most intimate things you can experience with a person? If a woman makes eye contact with you for a long time, she will be attracted to you and think about you sexually. In fact, there are many women who do not make eye contact because they feel too shy. It's no surprise eye contact can be really nerve-wracking. Simply put, when a woman makes long eye contact with you, it's usually because she wants to connect with you on a deeper level, preferably sexually. In other words, if she doesn't like your looks and isn't romantically interested in you, she won't look deeply into you, plain and simple. Number 4. She wants to spend time alone with you. It's not just about being together. If she wants to spend time alone with you, it means more than that. The fact that she wants to spend time alone with you means that she is interested in having sex with you. You see, if a woman only wants to be friends with you, she'll probably hang out with other friends in groups. When you have plans with her and ask if you can tag along with a friend, you'll find she doesn't mind. Now, if a woman is interested in you and thinks about you sexually, she won't like it. She will want to spend time alone with you to get to know you better and see what can happen. You'll notice she won't say it out loud. You'll see her body language change, or she'll get upset when you invite someone else. Another way to spot this is when she always asks you to spend time alone, never with the whole group of friends. Number 5. She smiles a lot. If she smiles a lot when you're around, it's probably because she's happy to see you. In fact, she might just be a person with a smile on her face by nature, and that doesn't mean anything about how she feels about you. But if her smile is genuine, it means she likes you and thinks about you sexually. Usually, when a woman wants you, you will see her whole face light up as soon as you enter the room. It's no coincidence, you see, women know they're really attractive when they smile. So when a woman smiles at you a lot, she's trying to show you that she's interested. Number 6. Her tone of voice changes around you. Okay, this next sign can be subconscious or conscious. You see, when a woman is attracted to someone, her voice often changes. When she's doing it on purpose, she can speak slowly and softly because it's more impressive. However, if it's unconscious, there's a chance she'll talk loud and fast because she's nervous around you. Now, this sign is not always easy to spot, as this can go one of two ways. A good way to gauge that is to see if her voice sounds different when she's talking to her friends than when she's talking to you alone. If so, she thinks about you sexually. Number 7. She licks her lips. This next sign is pretty obvious. When a woman licks her lips when you're around, it's probably a subconscious reaction. However, she will tell you a lot about what she thinks. You see, licking your lips means wanting something, being attracted to it. In this case, you want her something. How exciting. Again, as with most of these signs, don't jump the gun immediately at the first sign of her licking her lips. Sometimes just that, lick. Sometimes her lips were dry. It happens. This can say a lot in combination with other signs, but not alone. Number 8. She is very touchy. Another sign of a woman who is sexually attracted to you is that she is very touchy. This doesn't have to be inappropriate, but she might put her hand on your arm or walk past you while you're talking. These little touches can say a lot. You see, women generally avoid touching men unnecessarily, especially when they are not attracted to them. So does she initiate touches? She really wants you. In that case, you can try touch reactions and see how she reacts. Of course, never embarrass her and let her know if you don't feel good about what she's doing. Number 9. She takes care of her appearance, especially when you're around. If a woman cares about her appearance, especially when you're around, she'll be attracted to you and may think about you sexually. Women often make sure to put on their makeup, make sure their hair looks good, or wear clothes that show off their bodies. In fact, there are many women who go out of their way to look good every day. With them, it's a bit hard to tell. However, if you have a woman who looks good but do put a lot of effort into her appearance on a daily basis, but every time you see her, she has her makeup and hair done, that means something. You see, for a woman, this is one of the most proactive steps to show she wants you. When you see this, the great thing to do is to simply compliment her on her looks. I'm sure it will make her swoon. Number 10, she is extremely sweet to you. The next sign that a woman is thinking about you sexually is when she is extremely sweet to you. You'll find her helping you, saying sweet things, and smiling at you a lot. All this shows that she finds you really attractive and thinks about you in a sexual way. But it doesn't end there. She may show you sweet gestures like walking you home, asking you out on a date, or doing you a favor. At this point, she can't make it any clearer, and you can be sure that this woman likes you more than a friend. Number 11, she makes flirty remarks. When she can't stop commenting on your attractiveness, it's a very clear sign that she's thinking about you sexually. Flirty jokes and pranks are another way to show you that she's attractive to you and make it clear that she wants you badly. She might even ask a question about your appearance or what you are wearing. You know, those types of questions that seem like they're just meant to be funny, but are actually just flirtatious remarks. You see, women aren't notorious flirts. It usually takes someone special to bring out that side of them. So, if a woman flirts with you a lot, there is definitely something going on, and she really wants you badly. Number 12. Even the people around you can sense it. Okay, this is interesting. Another sign that a woman is sexually attracted to you is that even people around you, like mutual friends, can sense it. Maybe it's just the way she acts around you or the energy she gives off. However, something about her behavior makes it clear to your friends that she wants to be with you. Of course, this sign only works if you have mutual friends, but if you do, ask them about their opinion of her and if they think she likes you. And the best part, other people often have a very unique understanding of a situation and can tell you what's going on in her mind. Number 13, she always tries to fix herself when you show up. When a woman is really attracted to someone, she tries to look her best. So if you notice that she suddenly starts straightening up when you're around, it means she's interested in you. This means fixing her hair, pulling up her shirt, or straightening her skirt. You see, when you don't relate to someone at all, you don't go out of your way to make yourself available to them. But when you're dating someone, you'll try to look your best. This can be a bit tricky to spot, sometimes, as women tend to style themselves randomly throughout the day. Try and see if she does it every time you walk into the room. That will be the giveaway. Number 14, you are like a magnet. Last but not least, another sign that a woman is sexually attracted to you is that you are like a magnet to her. Let me elaborate. You're standing somewhere chatting, and she seems to be getting a little closer every minute. This is not necessarily a conscious move. Her sexual thoughts may cause her to be attracted to you. If you see her approaching, you can be sure that this woman likes you. Trust me.